Hello everyone, I'm going to play keyboard. Roshan taught me how to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I'm going to play it for you. Roshan will explain the notes. So let's begin. Thank you.
Twinkle Twinkle Little Star is very easy to play on the keyboard. Let's start with the right hand. First line, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. 2C, 2G, 2A and 1G. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Now the second line, 2F, 2E, 2D and 1C. How I wonder what you are. Third and fourth line are same notes. 2G, 2F, 2E and 1D. Now the whole thing together. The right hand is complete. Now the left hand. Left hand, there are three chords. C chord, F chord and G chord. For each chord, there are two counts. In the right hand, two notes are two counts. C chord for the C note, again C chord for the G note, F chord for the A note, and then C chord for the G note. Second line, F note, F chord, E note, C chord, D note, G chord and C note, C chord. Chord progression, F chord, C chord, G chord, C chord. Third and fourth line, G note is C chord, F note F chord, E note C chord, D note G chord. Chord progression, C chord, F chord, C chord, G chord. So the left hand is also complete. Remember, before you try hands together, practice left hand alone and right hand alone. This will improve the coordination between the left hand and the right hand. After you have mastered hands together, you can add a rhythm to the song. It's like a background music. One I recommend is 16 Shuffle Beat 1. Play it at 100 tempo. The second one is techno pop. It sounds like this. A rhythm makes the song very catchy, right? I hope you liked this video and I hope you can play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star perfectly now. So, we'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.